Hey guys, I'm going to be using oval cotton pads, micellar water, my lemon sugar scrub, and coconut oil. So I slept in my makeup last night. Not a good idea, but we're going to see how my lemon sugar scrub cleans my face without me using soap. So I'm going to start off with the micellar water and wipe off some of the makeup. Even if I was going to wash my face with soap, you would still need to use micellar water or witch hazel to wipe off some of the makeup anyway. So this is a step that's needed, period. Check out my stalker, my 2-year-old. I told her to leave me alone so I can make this video. She's always on my heels.
Something different now, a different style. And if I got a trap, you know it's wild. I have this child, I'm just trying to hit him with the mouse. I'm working wild, ayy.
Okay, it's time for the lemon sugar. I have to stir it up because it settles, so I like to stir it up and get the sugar all mixed up in there. Since I'm using my lemon sugar scrub to wash my face, I'm gonna wet my face first. Usually I would not, and I'm also going to actually scrub my face and then I'm gonna let it dry. My boyfriend, ladies and gentlemen. You see how they just won't let me be? So while you're waiting for your face to dry, why don't you go ahead and go to my Instagram and follow me at @ColeOfficial. Go ahead and spam my page and show me some love. So my lemon sugar scrub usually don't look like this on my face. I believe that is the makeup there, because I've seen it look like this before when I cleaned my face with my lemon sugar scrub when I had on makeup. I believe it pulls the makeup from my pores. That's what I believe anyway. So now it's all dry, so just rinse it off and gently scrub. Look at my skin, y'all. You cannot tell me my lemon sugar scrub is not fire. So now I'm going to use the micellar water to wipe my face again to see how much dirt is left on it after my lemon sugar scrub. And the verdict is not that much. So basically, I was just showing how good and clean your face can get with just using my lemon sugar scrub. I just wanted to show y'all how dope it was. Now I'm going to use my coconut oil to moisturize my skin, and I'm all done. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and please, please, please like and subscribe. Peace out.